When everything inside you gets loud, how do you know which voice to trust? Because the loudest voice isn't always the truest one. Think about a real moment, a decision you're trying to make, a conversation that didn't go well, a day that just feels really heavy. What's happening inside of you? Usually, it's loud. Thoughts, reactions, emotions. That's your soul. And it's not wrong. It's just doing what it does. But underneath that, there's something else. The soul is loud, reactive, fast. But the spirit is quiet, steady. Less like a reaction, more like a knowing. And if that feels subtle, that's okay. At first, the spirit will rarely feel dramatic. So here's one thing to try this week. In one real moment, when something gets really loud, pause. Even if you're in your car, in the middle of a conversation, or just standing in your kitchen, pause. Ask yourself, what is the louder layer saying? Name it, don't fight it. And then ask, what's being said underneath? Don't force it, just notice. That quiet layer that's worth paying attention to. This isn't about ignoring your emotions, and it's not about forcing a spiritual answer. It isn't even about getting it right. It's about learning to notice, because your spirit has been a part of you all along. It just hasn't been getting much attention. One moment this week. Pause. Notice the loud layer. Notice what's underneath. That's enough. If something shifts, come share it. The link is in the description. Go steady.